Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. I forgot it was Wednesday. Well, really, I didn't know what day it was. Is it Wednesday? Well, anyway, I'll be reviewing this cutie here. It's by Freetress Equal. Trying to get rid of this glare. It's the style of this is soft layer bang, and it has a left side part, which I love, and I have it in the color NH Sepia. And it has a 5-inch lace part, and I didn't have to cut any lace, y'all. So easy. And it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And here are the other colors that it comes in: maroon, sepia, 1B, and marigold. Oh, I like that marigold. Look at that. This here has the light highlights. Okay, let's put it on. Well, I'm gonna show you the specifics of it. So it's like almost like a silky, but not that real flyaway silky that blows in the wind and gets all in your lip gloss and sticks to your mouth. It ain't like that. It has a nice sheen to it. It looks really, really shiny on the camera, but it ain't that shiny for real. And there's the part. I didn't have to pluck anything. I didn't have to cut any lace. It has baby hairs. I've never worn this wig before. I've already put the powder on the inside of the part. And let's show you the specifics of the wig. Turn it inside out. First of all, it has a light and airy and stretchy wig cap. It has a comb. Do it have ear tabs? I don't know. It has a comb on this side, right by the part. It has another comb on this side. Then it has a comb in the back, along with 2 adjustable straps. And it says it's a shake and go wig. I don't want to shake it because then I have to brush it again. Well, I did bring a brush. It's pretty. Look at the color, y'all. Looks like a 1B and a 2, or a 1B and a 4. It's really, really pretty. Oh, let me measure and show you how long it is. I'll measure from the nape, the last weft in the back, so I can give you the hanging length. 9.5 or 10 inches. I'll say it's 10 inches hanging length. Measure from the last weft on down. Okay, I didn't measure from the top. And like I said, the name of it is Soft Layer Bang. Let bang. So let's put it on. I always wear a wig grip with my full wigs. The way it's not going to slide. Can't nobody snatch it off. It has a left side part, so I'm putting this on that side. Oh, I got my own hair just combed straight back, and I got a bun. I don't be fooling with my hair on cornrows and stuff to make it flat. It ain't that serious. If it sticks out a little bit right here, that's okay to me. I don't care. It's okay. Okay. And I didn't adjust any straps. So I'm putting the part over the part of the wig grip. I didn't part my hair at all. And I'm pulling this wig down. I'm going to attach the bottom comb up under my wig grip and tucked under braid. That's the only comb I use. Get my ear out of here. So I don't like discomfort at all. I feel that ball. I'm trying to match it. Okay, I got to show my earrings, y'all. Let me show this one. Okay, I want these bangs to layer. They're supposed to layer. It's a nice length. It looks like it's like 12 inches in the front. I don't know if the back is shorter or not. Okay, I don't want the bangs hanging in my face, so I'm going to adjust this wig a little over toward the center so I make the bang hang differently. And I even moved this comb in the back. It don't feel uncomfortable, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay, this is better. You can get a different look by the way you position the part. And I really don't wear middle parts, so I don't know if you can wear a middle part with this or not. Feels nice. It's lightweight. I like the flow of this wig. I like the way her bangs are swept backwards. I probably have to do a little cutting to layer the bangs a little more, but this looks cute. And has just a little bit of bump on the end, just a tiny bit. Some wigs, they bump so much, it look like they're about to strangle you to death. So, this is the front. Might as well do this now. Thumbnail. Okay, this is the right side. Y'all can see. Back. I have no idea how it looks in the back. Like this is my first time putting it on. Here's the left side. Nice. Didn't have to cut any lace. I usually take some powder and put it right there. I don't even think that's needed for this wig. I think it looks nice. I'm always trying to show my earring. There you go. Let me see. Oh, I like this look. Show both earrings. All full of them. Okay, so I want to thank you for joining me for Wig Wednesday. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.